and welcome back. By now you should understand the concept of products and product sets. Just to recap, a product set can have many products and you can have as many product sets as you want, but usually it is only required to have one product set. You should also know that you cannot add members before you've added some products to sell to these members. A member should always have a product and he should always belong to a branch or group. Today I'm going to tell you about groups and how to set them up in the RDS program. In the RDS program, a group and a branch is the same thing, and you can use them in any way that suits your business. Let me explain. Let's say we have a company called Risfin Funerals, and we have two branches, one in Pretoria and one in Cape Town. Each branch, or let's call it a group, has its own members. So we should create one group called Pretoria and one called Cape Town. You can now start loading members in each group. You can also split each group into more than one. For example, in Pretoria we can have one group for debit orders and one for cash members. Or you can split them up so that you have one group for underwriter A and one for underwriter B. Remember, you do this because you cannot mix members between different underwriters. As you can see, you can create as many groups as you want, but remember again, like I said before, keep it simple and start off with one group and then add more as and when needed. So back to the RDS program. I will now show you some of the basic functions as well as how to create a new group in the RDS program. Select the Group Admin button on the main screen to show the Group Admin screen. As you can see on the screen, I already have a group called Demo Group, and you can navigate between the different groups by clicking the left and right arrows. The group screen is divided into two areas. The top section displays the group specific information, like the group name, etc. Remember, you should first create your product sets with products, and now that we create the groups, we will link the product set to our group by selecting the correct product set from the list. As soon as you select the product set, you will see the products listed in the bottom section of the screen. I will now show you how to create a new group. Let's say we are opening a new branch in Cape Town. I want to create a separate group for Cape Town with its own members. Create the group by clicking the Add New Group button and confirm by clicking Yes. Complete the following fields. Group name, Cape Town. Group beginning date. The system default is today's date, but you can change it to any date that is applicable to you. Active quote. If this is a test group, you can leave it on quote, but for a real group you should always make it active. Agent code. Here you can enter the name of the agent responsible for this group. We will leave it empty for now. Underwriter reference number. Not needed unless your underwriter gave you one. Product set. This is important to link the correct product set to this group. Remember, although you can change this product set in future, it is highly recommended that you never change the product set linked to a group after you have added members to it. I have already created a product set for Cape Town, and we are now linking the Cape Town product set to the Cape Town group. Also remember that you do not have to have a separate product set for each group, and that I could have used the same product set for all my branches. The contact details on the right hand side of the screen are optional, and you can complete them if you want to. Finally, you click the Save button to add your new branch to the system. Note that as soon as I clicked the Save button, the products for Cape Town appeared in the bottom section. In the next lesson, I will show you how to navigate between and add new members for a group. This is the end of the lesson. Please click on the next arrow above the video to move to the next lesson.